Hindi ganyan ang flight attendant, day. Alam mo ba, day, ang flight attendant, jack of all trade, master of none. Alam mo ba yun, day? Kasi, day, ang flight attendant, oy, thank you, Madam Daisy Torres. Kasi, day, ang flight attendant, day, minsan, day, doktor ang flight attendant, day. Alam mo ba yun, day? Minsan ang flight attendant, day, nurse. Minsan ang flight attendant, day, babysitter. Minsan ang flight attendant, day, firefighter. Minsan ang flight attendant, day, alam mo kung ano, day? Toilet cleaner. O ngayon, day, maghen-hen-hen ka, day. Maghen-hen-hen ka ng ganyan, day. Diyos ko, day. At saka, day, minsan, day, ang flight attendant, day, police! Police patula, day. Kasi pag nag-away sa eroplano, day, marunong kami mag-restrain, day. Tinitrain kami, day. Tinitrain kami, day, kung paano namin i-restrain ang mga pasaherong nag-aaway, nagsusuntukan, day. We have a training about it, day, and we do it yearly, day. Once a year, day. At ang pagka-flight attendant, day, hindi ka papasa, day, kasi may exam, day. May exam kami taon-taon, day. Maliban pa sa 2 months na training, day, may exam pati kami, day. Grabe talagang exam, day. Grabe talagang exam, day. Kaya, day, makinig kang mabuti, day. Yung utak mo, day. Yung utak mo, day. Laki-lakihan mo, day. Laki-lakihan mo, day. Kasi, day, grabe ang flight attendant, day. Sleeping? What is that?
Check.
Now, Grand Mart is open or no?
No.
Huh?
Sleep.
No. Is Grand Mart open or closed? That one you told me. This one, what?
Grandma?
No, this one you told me. City Max. Grand Mart.
Yes.
Huh?
Open.
Open now?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Kaya, day, yung mga taga-book ID, bitaw, day, na hindi nakakita, bitaw, day, na ano, day? Ha? Yung mga book ID, bitaw, day, na walang mga alam, day, it is time for you to learn and get some education 101 flight attendant version. Diba? Ganon lang yan, day. Kaya, day, yung inakala mo, day, maghen-hen-hen ka, day. Diyos ko, Lord. At hindi lang to FA, hindi lang flight attendant pang local. Anong klaseng flight attendant to? Anong klaseng flight attendant? Ha? International flight attendant. Gets mo, day? Hindi pang local ang beauty, day. International, day. O, diba, day? Kaya, day, ganitong kailangan na action, day, ng flight attendant, day. Kailangan mo, day. Mautak ka, day. Kailangan mong utakan yung mga iba, day. Ganon, day. Ganon. Kaya, Ella Basitek, you lock your profile because you don't want to be seen. Because I know for sure you just want me to make money. Because you know that I'm gonna make you know what you should know. Diba, day? Ganun, day. At hindi lang to basta-basta flight attendant, day. My business, day. Diba, day? Ganun, day. Kaya, kayo, mga people in the universe, wag na kayong magsabi, pasagdi yan, madam. Hayaan mo yan, madam. Wag. Kasi nga mautak ako, diba? Pera-pera lang. So, ito pagkakitaan natin si Ella. At hindi lang to, Ella. I'm going to make sure that you get a piece of my education that is not your education level. Okay? Because there is no galaw-galaw for education. Gets mo, Ella? Who gets whatever they want in life? Is it the high academically educated or those people na may initiative, may utak, and may diskarte in life? Those people who is highly educated, they're just happy of where they are kung wala kang initiative. At I don't think magiging highly educated din sila if they don't have this in their otak. You know what I mean, Ella? Kaya Ella Basitek. Pakihanap nyo yung Ella Basitek na yan. I don't think that's her real name. Baka ano din yan. Isa lang din yan sa mga nanonood. Isa lang din yan sa mga nanonood ngayon. Kaya yun yung mga utak na ganun. If it is really what she thinks of all the flight attendant, I pity her. And I want you to get that in your brain. Mga wakwak, huwag kayong mag-stereotype ng flight attendant kasi, or any job, okay? Huwag kayong mag-stereotype. Kung huwag kayong maglagay sa isang box, ano ba dapat ang isang flight attendant? Ano ba dapat ang action? Ano ba dapat ang ganito, ang ganyan? Kasi sa mga nakikita nyo lang, yung mga idea nyo lang na ganito dapat yung flight attendant, ganito, ganyan. Kaya nagiging limited ang inyong pag-iisip at imbes na gusto nyo magiging flight attendant, tapos nakakita kayo ng parang yun yung pagkaintindi nyo sa pagka-flight attendant. Ha? Yun yung pagkaintindi nyo, ay dapat ganito ang flight attendant, dapat ganyan siya, dapat ganito siya. O, di ba? Ganon. Tingnan mo yung mga ano. Oy, thank you, Madam Janet Fiddler. Tingnan mo yung mga beauty queen. Tingnan mo yung mga beauty queen sa Pilipinas at sa ibang bansa. Ha? Akala mo yung mga beauty queen kailangan ganito, kailangan ganyan, kailangan talaga ganyan talaga and all. Hindi ka maggalaw-galaw ng mga ganito, maggalaw-galaw ng mga ganyan kasi nga beauty queen ka. Pero tingnan mo ngayon, anong nang nangyari sa mga beauty queens? Nasaan ang iba? O, diba? So, ganon, wag kayong mag-stereotype at wag nyong limitahan ang mga sarili nyo na ma-achieve ang gusto nyong i-achieve sa inyong mga buhay. Kasi nga, mga wakwak, wala ngang specific person for a job. Okay? Walang specific person, walang specific na mukha. Meron mang specific required na height, pero when it comes to the face and to the looks and to the brain, walang specific. Where should I go, madam? I go straight? Madam,
Madam.
I don't know where it is. You have to tell me. This is Lulu. Huh?
Other shop Max Mart. See.
Here?
See, City Mart.
City Mart?
Yes.
Oh, this one I already went there before. This one is not. Oh, this one is not that much. You have to check if it's cheap or not, okay? Because otherwise we go to Viva.
A little money.
Not little money. You check what you need.
Okay.
Okay, you go what you need and come back here. I give you my credit card. Still closed.
Oh, sir.
Shuhada. Check here, Viva. Check Viva, madam. Open now or no?
Also 9 o'clock.
Yeah, no. I think Viva is open. Check.
Yes.
Okay? Check Viva open. You buy the same chicken, whole chicken, the same? I buy?
Okay.
This one?
You go.
No, you go and you check chicken, okay?
Okay.
Yala, chicken. So, yun na nga mga wakwak. Go, madam. So, yun na nga mga wakwak ha. Yun. Ayun talaga. Kaya kayo, like I said, I have to emphasize it really.
I am checking.
Yes, check. It's open or no?
Open.
Okay, then go and buy the... Use my credit card. You just tap only, okay?
Yes.
So you buy this whole chicken, okay?
Okay.
Whole chicken, this chicken legs, and then you buy onions, you buy
Garlic.
ginger, big one, pack, not buy only 1 kilo, 1 kilo, okay? So yun talaga mga wakwak, kaya talaga, hindi nga pwede nating i-ignore. Ignore Shirley Casarias. Oh my God. Alam niyo mga wakwak, hindi nga natin siya pwedeng i-ignore. Kasi nga, kumikita nga ako dyan. Diyos ko Lord. Yes, Madam Mama Mia, naamang uban, Madam, na wala nila ma-achieve ilang dream goal, din dili sila happy. That's exactly why I'm telling you, do not limit yourself to achieve whatever you want in life. You have